Welcome to Alan's Day. Today's a snow day for everybody, except for myself and Justin. Here's what we got going on. We got plowing, we got a blizzard, we got a snowstorm. Let me get back inside here. Well, we've got Justin here now to help plow. So you can see that, get back inside of here. You can see we got a lot of snow here. See all the other businesses, they're all shut down over there. Not too much going on over there. Oh, here we got Justin coming back. That John Deere's getting a big bite of snow here. There we go. Yeah, that'll make short work out of getting this plowed out. Looks like everybody else has got a lot of plowing to do tomorrow just to get into their businesses, but nobody's around, nobody's on the roads. Everything's pretty much shut down. Well, we'll let Justin finish doing his thing in there. And I got some office work to do now that it's nice and quiet. Yeah, it's getting chilly out there. Well, let's get in the office here and I'll peek at what I got going on here. Sitting in front of the computer. Oh, here goes Justin again. He's got another pile of snow. There we go. I'm working on is a project here at work. I'm making a flatbed for the back of a semi-tractor, an HDT RV hauler. So here's where I start on the computer, and there's the little bit of the bed on there. Just a whole lot of drawing. Got a fancy hitch in the back there. We got a fifth wheel plate on there. We got a couple of gooseneck balls on there. So I'll get you some videos on this coming up here. So, well, let's see what Justin's still moving. Well, that's enough excitement for me for one day. I think it's time for me to go home. That's where everybody else is at today. That's where I'm going to be. Justin's going to be here a while plowing yet, so. Well, he's got some of this roughed in here. And I got to go out to the, got the pickup truck out there. Originally, when I came in this morning, the truck was stuck in the end of the driveway. Don't tell Jean that though, because I told her, nah, I'm not going to get stuck. That truck will go through anything. She was right, I was wrong. Yeah, I got stuck coming in the driveway there. So, this is what I got plowed out this morning before Justin got here. So, he'll take over from there. And then we got another building over there that's got to get plowed out. Fantastic. We need to go get a selfie in front of the tractor there. The thumbnail. All the video I did this morning, I didn't have the thing freaking pushed. Now I'll get back to the truck. Still low traffic on the roads. Everybody's doing the smart thing and staying in. Talk to you guys later. Well, the town did a pretty good job of getting the streets all cleaned off. Still don't see any people out here, but tomorrow it'll all get cleaned up, and that's just another day in northeast Wisconsin. Hopefully I can get back into the driveway. Oh, easy, easy, easy. The wind's all going the right direction, so I'm not getting plowed and snowed in here. Well, I made it. Let me go in and get some lunch, and then we're going to get the other John Deere out and do a little plowing. Yeah, we had to bust through a little bit of snow there to get in here. And this isn't quite as big as the other John Deere, but it's a John Deere, and it'll move some of that snow. So talk to you guys later. Thanks for hanging around on this snow day. You get some bonus footage. Yeah, you can see all the snow we got there. Yeah, we probably got it's about 3 feet deep in spots. And let me work my way up to the house. And I got a little bit of shoveling to do up here. Now we'll talk to you guys later. Thank you for watching Alan's Day. Life is about making choices. Some things are already perfect. Some things you may choose to upgrade. This channel will show you both. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks again.